This is a question from operating system. A hard disk has the following parameters. Number of tracks equal to 500, sectors per track equal to 100, bytes per sector equal to 500, and time to move the head from one track to the next track is 1 millisecond. Rotational speed is 600 rpm. What is the average time taken for transferring 250 bytes from the disk? So the formula for average time taken to transfer is equal to sum of average seek time plus average rotational delay plus data transfer time. It is a parameter of or the sum of all these three parameters. Now average seek time. It is given that to move from one track to the next one it takes 1 millisecond. So from track 1 to, let's write it once again, from time taken to move from track 1 to track 1 is equal to 0 milliseconds. From track 1 to track 2 is equal to 1 millisecond. From 1 to track 3 is equal to 2 milliseconds. So how many tracks we have? 500. So from track 1 to track 500 is equal to 499 milliseconds. So average seek time is equal to sum of the whole divided by 500, as 500 is the number of tracks. Summation of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. 499 divided by 500. This is equal to 249.5 milliseconds. So this is one value, that is the average seek time. Now it is given that 600 is the RPM value, that is 600 rotation in 60 seconds. So for one rotation, how many seconds are needed? So for one rotation, it requires 60 by 600 seconds, which is equal to 0.1 second. So average rotational delay is equal to half of one rotation, which is equal to 0.1 divided by 2, that is equal to 0.05 seconds. This is equal to 50 milliseconds. This is the second parameter. Now we are given that one rotation can read one whole track. So the amount of data that can be read in one complete rotation is 100 into 500, which is equal to 50,000 bytes in one rotation. And one rotation takes 0.1 seconds. So 0.1 seconds we can read 50,000 bytes. So to read 250 bytes, how many seconds we need? That is x seconds we require time for 250 bytes. This is equal to 0.1 into 250 divided by 50,000. This is equal to 0.5 millisecond. So these are the three parameters. So average time to transfer is the sum of average seek time, that is 249.5 milliseconds, plus average rotational delay, that is equal to 50 milliseconds, plus time to transfer the data, that is 0.5 milliseconds. This is equal to 300 milliseconds. So let's see the options. Based on options, option D, 300 milliseconds is the right choice.